Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you for the opportunity given to us in Alvan to presenting our PBL. Before we dive into our project, what if I introduction our member who took part in this project? First, Inanta Rahmatani as leader of Alvan team. Second, Fadiana Mulana. Third, Indah Wulandari. Fourth, Elisa Chaya Putri. 5, Cynthia Dara-Desviva. 6, Novriska Indah Permatasari. Well, without wasting any more time, I will briefly tell you about our project and what we did. The title of our PBL is Encryption and Decryption of General Text and Digital document with the project manager Mr. Hamdani. The result of our PBL is a website that can use the encrypt and decrypt text or doc. Here we feature as platform. It took its first semester to complete this project, and there are turned into connected course in PBL with the theme Classic Cryptography, namely programming algorithm, basic cybersecurity, and data literacy. We ask Python programming language or programming algorithm course using polyalphabetic substitution shifter algorithm for basic cybersecurity course and database in PHP-MyAdmin for data literacy course. Completion of the project is 100% because it has produced a website to encrypt, to decrypt, and connect to database. We are programming codes.
The job desk of each member, such as first, Inanta Rahmatani, with the Dati to put the whole program code together to generate the web and evaluating if there is an error or not. Second is Linda Wulandari, create encryption and decryption for Vigener Cipher programming code. Third is Fadiana Mulana, create encryption and decryption for Cesar Cipher programming code. Fourth is Elisa Chaya Putri, put the program code together to generate the web and evaluating if there is an error or not. Fifth is Cynthia Dara-Desviva, create encryption and decryption for Cesar Cipher programming code. Sixth is Novriska Indah Permatasari, create encryption and decryption for Vigener Cipher programming code. The goal of this project is to develop a Python-based application that facilitates the encryption and decryption of text using the Vigener Cipher and Cesar Cipher methods. The program will offer an easy-to-use interface to enter text, select the desired cipher method, and perform encryption and decryption based on the user's choice.
We counted this PBL for one semester of 12 weeks, of which week 1 to week 2 was the research and the design phase, understanding the algorithm of both cipher and designing the program structure. Week 3 to week 4 was the implementation of the encryption and decryption function of the Cesar Cipher. Week 5 to week 6 was the development of the encryption and decryption function of the Vigener Cipher. Week 7 to week 8 was the integration of user interface component and basic error handling. Week 9 to week 10 is the testing, debugging, and refining the application. Week 11 to week 12 was the final documentation, user manual, preparation, and project submission. The goals of our project in detail are: 1. Implementation of Cesar Cipher, in which we perform create a function to encrypt and decrypt using Cesar Cipher. Input from the user to seek the vector key and the text to be encrypt or decrypt. Handle the encryption and decryption process accurately.
The next goals of our project: 2. Development of Vigener Cipher, construction of function to perform encryption and decryption using the Vigener Cipher, capability to accept a keyword and text input for encryption or decryption, ensuring correctness in the encryption and decryption process. 3. User interface, designing a user-friendly interface using Python libraries. Input file for the user to provide text, select Cipher method, and enter necessary parameters, key or keyword. Button for initiating encryption and decryption process. 4. Validation and error handling, implementing input validation to handle unexpected user inputs, handling error gracefully to prevent program charges. 5. Documentation, implementing input validation to handle unexpected user inputs.
The project output with product are: 1. Python script file, Cesar_Cipher.py, content function for encryption and decryption, Vigener_Cipher.py, input function for the Vigener Cipher encryption and decryption. 2. Documentation, readme.md, provide instruction for running the program, dependence, and stop. Documentation.pdf, description the methodology algorithm used and how to interact with the program. 3. Sample output screen for GUI, a graphical user interface allowing user to input text to be encryption or decryption, just pause between Cesar and Vigener Cipher, input necessary key or keyword for encryption or decryption, display the encryption or decryption output. 4. Mine application file, mine.py, integrates the functional of both Cesar and Vigener Cipher. It includes the user interface. 5. Sample the Cesar for file or documentation showing how different test cases were encryption and decryption to ensure the correct of the algorithms.
Here is our PBL logbook with contents project notes that we use in here PBL logbook to report our progress to Mr. Hamdani as our project manager. On November 15, we create a new title which result in the title Encryption and Description of Vigener Cipher text and Cesar Cipher document. Then on November 17, we decide to use the website on our PBL. On November 22nd, we create programming code. On November 24th, we managed to create a database. On November 27th, the login page can be used and connects to PHP-MyAdmin. On December 1st, we got the result of the temporary website programming course. And on December 11, we managed to make a usable web. Then on December 18, we made PPT, and on December 19, we did the recording. And the last topic bring us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today, and have a nice day.